How did I take this thrift store basket and transform it into this adorable flower girl basket? Hi, I'm Dorene Vandermeer. I'm a bridal milliner. I'm sharing 30 plus years of my experience with you. And one of them is how to take thrift store finds so that you can save money and transform everyday items into something amazing. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few easy steps. Check out the description for the supplies, and I'm going to show you how to do this little transformation. The first step to my little basket transformation is I'm going to spray paint the basket completely white, and I taped off any area of the metal that I wanted to preserve. All right, I got the basket all painted. It's looking really cute. I've got a little bit of ways to go to just kind of bump this up and make it even cuter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line that middle here with beautiful satin. And the way that I'm going to do that is, first of all, I have tracing paper, and I just trace the bottoms, and I know that's my pattern for the bottom. And then to the center, it's pretty easy. I do the depth, so I'm going to do 5 inches because this is 4 inches. Now I'm going to measure around the top, which is about 20.5 inches, and then I'm going to add 4.5 inches for pleats and 1 inch for the seam, and that will make it about 26 inches total. I did some pleating on there because I want it to look really beautiful, and I'm doubling up the bottom so that I don't see the wicker aspect underneath. I kind of want it just to have a real nice glossy feel. All right, what I'm going to go do now is I'm going to sew this, and then I'm going to add these two together to build the center of the basket, and I'll show you how to do that. All right, I pinned the bottom and the top with the satin side facing together, and now I'm going to just go around the circle. All right, we've got the center looking beautiful. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sew that back seam. And when I sew it, I'm going to sew it so that it's more at an angle. That way when it goes in the basket, it lines up a little better. All right, here it is all looking great. And you can see I now fold those pleats all the way to the top, and I folded it over and ironed it. And it fits really nice. Take a little peek here, see how we're looking. Everything's fitting really nice. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew that all the way around, and then we will then glue it in. I just think that looks really great, you know, compared to just stuffing it in there with some hot glue. I'm going to sew that and be right back. Now I'm going to put that lace that I pulled from the vintage lace, and this has got a little bit of blue in it. I thought that would be kind of a cute little wink to something blue. And I'm just going to glue that in, and then I'm going to go and glue the lining on top of that. All right, I got it all on and it looks great. And for fun, I'm going to add flat back pearls on the lace, kind of give it even more of that bridal feel. A little touch there. On the next step, now that we got the lace in and I put the little pearls on, I thought we would bump it up even further and do a couple more things. And I'm going to put little ribbon bows right on the end here. And how I do that is pretty simple. I just took 2 different ribbons, and I did about a 22-inch piece for both. And essentially all I do is I do a loop, I do another loop, and then I tie the loops together, pull them, and there's your bow. That's simple. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue them on, and I'll do a couple of stitches as well, just to kind of secure them really well. It's just what that needed, isn't it? And now the very last thing, the reason I bought this basket was the little buttons on it. And so now I'm just going to put some blue thread on there, and I've already done one here. And I just put the faux blue thread on to add that something blue and to give it that next touch. And if you love this kind of thing where I am transforming projects and upcycling them, I have a whole playlist all about upcycling. And there you will learn how I took an entire dress apart just to have lace for a veil. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this little upcycling project with this thrift store find. Thanks for dropping in.